All right, welcome, ladies and gents, to Intro to Nyal Man-Wearing 101. Um, I'm going to be your host today. My name is Nyal Man-Wearing. Very good to meet you guys. So, to get us started, let's go to the first slide. Basically, my background. So, actually, my full name is Nyal from Man-Wearing. And as most of you might think, Nyle's either spelled Nile or Nyle. Mine's a little bit different. Not sure where they got it from, but I'm actually named after my uncle. Who knew? If you actually read on here, that kind of explains that story. I'll actually move on. So I was born in Glendale. That's over by Universal Studios, Disney Animation Studios. If anybody knows California, it's right below the mountains and right above Anaheim, where Disneyland's at. So I actually had to move from there when I was 5 to Twin Falls, and I grew up a good 8 years there. Um, it was horrifically cold. So I was really glad. Actually, I was really sad at first, but I was really glad after a while when my dad got a new job down in Moore Park, California. So if anybody's heard of like Westlake or it's in Ventura County where the St. Thomas fires were, then you've heard of the area. Awesome. Let's go to the next. So I actually want to be a mental clinician. It's something that I was thinking about doing for the longest time. I thought I wanted to be a psychiatrist, but I decided against that because I don't like medication when it's not needed to give out, if that makes sense. And plus, I really like being able to identify where people are hurting and be able to help them there. So, personal interests, I like to sleep, Netflix, and chill. Not the chill part, just Netflix. And actually, one of the things I like to do is give people massages. I don't know why. It feels weird, but it de-stresses me. I love to get massages too, but I like giving other people massages. Besides that, I love the wintertime when it snows. I hate it when it doesn't snow and it's cold. I love to be in the water, especially water tubing. I haven't gone in a while, but I love doing that. And I like to play volleyball. So I'm really hoping with this course that we'll be able to not just learn about general human psyche, but the general psyche at specific stages. I'm going to be really stoked to find out about that stuff because that actually has a lot to do with my job, which is literally treating people from all different ages and backgrounds. Thanks for listening. This is your host, Nyal Man-Wearing. Sign out.